How to send and receive USDT on any wallet. You are on the right platform. My name is Chris Metal, and in case you are new to this channel, on this particular channel, I give updates on how to make money online. You know, I'm always online searching, looking for opportunities just for you, because I believe that you and I have to make money, and I don't need to hide anything from you. So when you even check my previous videos, where currently I even shared an arbitrage opportunity, and most of my friends called me thanking me that, wow, they didn't even know this kind of opportunity until I shared on the YouTube platform. But subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, let me know anything you want me to share with you in the comment section, and I'm going to do that. I will make sure that I give you the best, and we are all going to make money, you and I together. I believe that we need to be soft together. Now let's dive into this video. Now, in case you want to send USDT to your friend, or you want to receive USDT, this video, watch it to the end. It's going to help you a lot. You know, what is even USDT? USDT is cryptocurrency. So USDT in the crypto world is the equivalent of US dollars. You understand? $1 is equal to 1 USDT. So it's about 99.999% the same. You understand? So how do we send and receive? How do we send and receive? Because if you have it, you can sell it to Ghana cedis, you can sell it to euros, you can sell it to pounds, you can sell it to USD, you can sell it to Vietnamese dong, you can sell it to any currency that you want. So let's learn how to send and receive it. Now you need a wallet. Okay, you need a wallet, and there are two types. We have the centralized exchange and we have the decentralized exchange. So we are not going to dive much into explanation of the decentralized and the centralized, but the centralized, we have examples. We have the Binance, the Bybit, we have the OKX, we have a whole lot. We have the Bybit, the Bybit and the Binance are the most common ones. And we also have the decentralized one, and one of the most common one is the Trust Wallet. Okay, so you can send USDT from any of these centralized or decentralized wallets, just that if you know the process. And if you don't do it right, you are going to lose your money. So watch to the end. So let's quickly dive into it. There is a sender and there's a receiver. There's somebody sending the USDT and there's somebody receiving the USDT. So let's assume that the person receiving the USDT is using Bybit account and the person sending the USDT is using Binance account. So the person receiving the USDT will have to go straight to Bybit, go to assets, okay, go to assets and click on deposit. So it means the person is going to deposit money into the wallet. Okay, now what are you going to deposit? We are going to deposit crypto. USDT is a cryptocurrency, so we are going to deposit crypto. You just click on crypto. You understand? So when you click on crypto, don't select any other crypto coin unless you are depositing that particular coin, or unless the person is sending you that particular coin. Right now we are going to receive USDT, so we have to click on USDT. Okay, now when you click on USDT, you said choose a chain type. Now chain type, take it like it's a delivery agency. You understand? Take it like a delivery agency. For example, if you are sending goods from somebody from Africa to somebody in China, maybe you can use it through DHL. You understand? You can also use it through EMS or any other platform. You understand? You have to make sure that you select the network that you want the person to transfer to. So for example, we are going to use BSC BEP20. That is the Binance chain, Binance Smart Chain. Yes. So when you select the Binance Smart Chain, you say, do not deposit USDT via OPBNB chain. Do not deposit through that. You understand? We have BSC and we have the OPBNB chain. Make sure that you take note of it. You understand? So you tell the person that the person should send to BEP20. Please send to BSC20. Don't use any other network, because if the person sends the USDT and you chooses like different network, it means you are going to lose the money. You understand? Yeah. So you make sure you copy this address. The address is your destination. Just like somebody is delivering goods to you and you tell the person, please, can you send it to my address? It's just an address. You understand? And it's very long. So you just copy that particular address like this. Then you send it to the person. Then you add the chain network, like please send it to BEP20. You understand? On this address, because each chain has a different address. You understand? BEP20 network on this address. You can also screenshot this QR code and send to the person. It will automatically put in the network for you. Yes. So let's copy the address, then we send it to the person. Now let's go straight to the sender. So now this is the sender's account. Then go straight to assets. So the person will open the Binance account and go straight to asset. Click on asset and go to where the USDT is. So if the USDT is in funding, you just click on the funding. If it is in spot, you click on spot. You understand? So you go to funding. My USDT is in funding. You understand? So the USDT in the sender's account is in funding account. So the person will go and click on send. At first, in some exchanges, you even see withdraw. You understand? You will not see send. On Binance, at first it was withdraw, but now they made it send to make it easier for you. You understand? But on other platforms like maybe Bybit or maybe OKX or Trust Wallet, you may see withdraw. It's the same thing. You understand? So you click on send or the withdraw. Then you see send to Binance users. No, you are not sending to a Binance user. If you are sending to a Binance user, that one is easier. You just provide the person's Binance email or the person's Binance ID and it's going to be easier. Binance to Binance, tata, is gone. You understand? No on-chain. But right now we are focusing on those people who are sending normal from USDT to a wallet to another USDT wallet using a particular network. So you click on send on-chain. You understand? On-chain withdrawal, because the person will give you the network. So now you select the crypto that you are sending. You the sender. What are you sending? We are sending USDT. We are not sending Solana. So you click on USDT. Now he said long press and paste the address. Here you paste the address like this. So after pasting the address, what you are going to do is you select the network. You see there are so many networks. You see the OPBNB there. He said don't send OPBNB. Please send what? BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. That is what we are sending. So you click on the Binance Smart Chain network. Then how much are you sending? Minimum is $10. So 10 USDT. So maybe we are sending 10 USDT. You understand? Just for the purpose of the video. So we are sending, let's say 20 USDT. Okay, you click on withdraw. You see now, you see withdraw. Yes, so we are withdrawing the money. 20 USDT, confirm to BEP20. That's the address. Ensure the network is correct. Check. You understand? Then you click on confirm. Now, assuming that I select a different network or I select a wrong network, the money will just vanish. It will not land into any person's account. You cannot find it again. It's gone. It's recorded on the blockchain network and nobody is going to receive it. Yes. So make sure that you check you are sending to the right network. Yes. So you just verify. Okay. Let me verify. Withdrawal processing. Yes. So this is going to take few minutes, maybe 1 minute or less. You understand? Maybe 1 minute or less. So we are going to check our Bybit account whether we have received the money. If we don't receive the money, it means that then we did something wrong. We sent to the wrong network. Yes. So let's go straight to Bybit, the receiver's account, and see whether we have received the USDT. This is so simple, fast, and secure. You understand? Nobody is going to steal your money, and it's so straightforward. You see, you have one deposit request pending. Here we go. Deposit confirmed. So let's go to our asset and see 20 USDT is in. It's so simple. So this is how you can send USDT and you can receive your USDT. So in summary, how to send USDT from one wallet to another wallet. So if you are the receiver, what you will first do is you first open your exchange application, click on add funds or click on deposit. And when you click on deposit, you select USDT. After selecting USDT, make sure that you are choosing the type of network you want the person to send to. Make sure you put it in your mind, copy, and make sure you give that address that you copied on that particular network to the sender. Make sure that you tell the sender, please send to this particular address on this particular network, maybe BEP20 example. And you, the sender, what you are going to do is open your application and click on withdraw funds or send funds. After clicking on withdraw funds or send funds, what you are going to do is you paste in the address the receiver gave to you, and you make sure you select the exact network the receiver gave to you, and you just authenticate everything. Then you click on send. It will take 1 minute or less to receive, and that's the end of the transaction. In case you like this video and this video is helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comment what you want me to talk about or what I left out in this video, and subscribe for more, because this is a whole series I'm doing for all beginners in terms of cryptocurrency. I will be diving much into how to trade the crypto itself and how to even trade forex. So I'm going to guide you on what to do so that you don't lose your money or you don't take unnecessary risk. Until then, see you next time.